this is what I'm asking for the access to the AI generative fill. So at first it was just in the Photoshop beta, which that's what I first started with, but I'm just going into the regular Photoshop 2026. So here's Photoshop loading. So we bring that up. I'm going to open a file. Okay, so right here, this person's arm is in here, and so I'm just going to say generative fill, create flowers. And then right here, this is where we've got Firefly, which is, you can see this is a year ago. And then we've got Flux, Gemini 3, Gemini 2, because I think Photoshop is given up on their Firefly because this Nano Banana is way better. So I'm going to click generate here. And then it comes up with this message. Your system administrator isn't allowing access to this feature right now. Please contact them for more support. So any of these models down here, if I do this, they give me that. But if I choose the old Firefly, then it will go through this whole process, and I'm sure it's taking some of my generative credits. But as far as I know, there's like 1,000, but they may have changed that with the new version. So here you can see what it does with the Firefly, but I would like to get access to the Nano Banana and test it. So hopefully this explanation helps.